you something. A very easy do-it-yourself thing. You just need a couple tools. And they're always nice to have handy, whether you need to remove a drain, to sweep your tub. You're going to want to have this piece of equipment.
The first thing I am doing is unscrewing my drain, and I'm going to take the actual drain out. This is a tub drain wrench, and it has these little holes in here. You're going to find a screwdriver that fits in there. Number one, you want to make sure that it's thick enough and strong enough to handle this. And number two, you're going to want to make sure that it fits through that hole. And this is how you do it. You want to protect your tub. Sometimes you might want to throw a towel down to protect that, but if you're just very conscientious, you're very able to do this. To take it out, I am going counterclockwise, and this is actually how I will put it back in. I'd use some of this pipe joint compound, and I like to give that a nice coating before I put it back in. And you'll see there's a rubber ring there, and that is also something that you'll need to make sure you have a nice tight seal in there. And you're going to do this in reverse. You're going to tighten it up. You're going to go clockwise, and it's good to get a nice good seal so you don't have any leaks.